the most honest thing one person can say. There's liberation in having money. Once you have liberated people, liberated South Africans, who at least they're comfortable that they're at least having 3 meals a day, then they start asking questions when what is the ownership status of the means of productions, of the banks, of the big industries in our country. Now, the government, ANC government, working with capital, therefore, has got a plan to keep as many people as poor, because a poor person will think about, what is my next meal?
A bloody confrontation is looming between black South Africans and foreign nationals in this country. It is looming and it is gaining momentum.